All right, folks. Eastern Illinois bait race.
All right.
Illinois. Come on, guys. There's squirrels. Got it going on.
I don't know.
Come on, get her back in. Come on, squirrel. Oh, that's different.
This looks like a close race to me.
All right. Come on, guys. Running out of time. You gonna make it?
I don't know.
Yeah, we got time. We got time.
We might
All right.
have the winner. Squirrel got it.
All right, squirrel. Having a good time here, guys. Out here enjoying the rodeo.
All right. Who's up next? Don't be shy, guys. Come on
got
in.
about 50 bikes out here, maybe more. Maybe about 20 people participating.
I had 22 people sign up. You're going to only tell me
22
6
people signed up.
wants to do this? Really?
Just heard it right there, 22 people. Top 3 guys in all 3 races. We got a little excited there, squirrel. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. There you go. Come on, take it easy. Take your time. Take your time. All right. Good job. All right.
Andy got that.
We got a winner.
No big shock, you're right, but Andy got that.
All right, Andy. All right, got the slow race going on now.
Oh, squirrel's out.
He's out. You got to stay within the lines.
Oh, looks like we, yeah, 2 right away.
They must just be practicing right now.
I think he went way too fast.
John's doing real good.
He's out.
Yeah, they're just practicing on this run.
That goes to John. Way to go, John. Congratulations.
All right, John. I guess that was one race.
And that's how you got
You didn't go that slow coming over here.
I got 9.
All right, the race is on. The race is on. Here goes Pride in the back stretch. Heartache coming to the inside. All right, guys, doing good. Andy's doing real good out there. I think Andy's going to win this one again. That's going to make 2 for Andy. I don't know, Mick's doing pretty darn good over here in the purple bike too, though. Well, Mick put his feet down. Andy won. All right, Andy.
Give it up for Andy. All right, do we have anyone else?
Way to go, Andy. All right, this is for the champion. Got the runoff. Eastern Illinois Bait Rodeo Games Slow Race. Hang in there, guys. Somebody's gonna put their foot down if they ain't careful. I think that's how one of them's gonna lose. They're gonna have to put their foot down. These guys want to fight too much to just give it up. Hang in there, John. He'll put his foot down. Hang in there, John. Oh. Andy was the winner. Look at it. Showing off, Andy.
Our next event
All right.
is what?
Good job.
Favorite.
Good job. Uh-oh. Weenie Bites coming up next.
Y'all for quiet.
All right, next up is a Weenie Bites.
When the hell
Let's
did
do
that
it.
ever stop your ass?
Come on.
No, really. When did that stop you?
Get that weenie in there. Ah!
Oh, no!
All over the face.
Yeah, she did. What a tease. What a tease.
All right, got another one. Come on.
She gave it a lick and a promise.
She did. She did.
Come on, get that weenie. Oh yeah, she got some.
Oh!
We're gonna zoom in on this one.
I don't know. Cause you gotta get. Oh, what the hell did she do? She hesitated.
She couldn't get
I want for sure. I don't know what she did. All Deanna. What the? I think that was a driver error. I think she almost... Whoa, she's the closest one yet. I win it. Put you in the lead. Slow down. She knocked the whole damn thing down. I don't think she got a... All right, Erica, you got this. Oh, we got it tied. Corey, better slow it down.